So what's going on, guys? Here in front of me is natural gas, and if you go down to the weekly, we saw here this bearish candlestick from last week, but now we are turning around and seeing a bullish candlestick. So we might here actually continue this rally to the upside, but keep in mind that here the CCI still hasn't reached the levels below 100, and the MACD is now at 0.554. And as I showed you last time, where was it? Here, I think it was another chart. Let me just quickly change that here. I think it was this one. I think I want to. So it was here. I think no. Let me just quickly. So I think it was actually this one here, where because at the moment we are at the 0.5 levels on the MACD, and here we rallied all the way to 1.5. And even though we had here some signs of bearish movement, we suddenly went higher. And this is the same that could happen right now. If we just check some previous weekly chart, we had a couple of times where we had a bearish candlestick, but we still rallied. For example, here, and this is something that where here the MACD went all the way above 1.0 or 1.5, but we had here bearish candlesticks a couple of times, but we still went higher. And this could happen right now as well, because if we take a look at this chart here suddenly the weekly chart is didn't even show a bearish sign yet, so we are still going higher here. So it also depends what chart you're looking at. But here, for example, we retested the 20-day EMA, and now we gain some room at here at CCI, and the MACDs are across, which means we could see another cross here to go to the upside. So for now it looks like we will really, now keep in mind that natural gas also often has similar movements to crude oil and the oil market in general, because obviously natural gas and crude oil are both, well, basically made from fuel from fossils. So basically natural gas is also kind of oil, just in a gas form. Now so keep in mind, if the oil market starts going higher, natural gas will likely continue this uptrend as well. So that being the case, if we take a look at this chart here, we didn't have a bearish candlestick compared to the other chart, but it's not such a problem at the moment. The only thing that can happen here is that we either go here sideways for a bit, because this is what oil might do as well, and then continue to go higher, or we see a shift in momentum and start forming this pattern, so it would be a complete reversal of the uptrend that we have been here in for the last couple of, let me do this once more. So here, 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 and then here, 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 something like this. But as I said, for as I mentioned now a couple of times, for me the trend looks still up. We are having a very bullish momentum, 1 hour chart, we broke above all the EMAs again, which here 4 hour chart as well. So chances are we will continue this rally. For now, we might go here a bit sideways. Same with natural gas, with crude oil, or with oil in general. So this is what will likely happen. But for me now, after retesting this 20-day EMA here, we are likely going to see a move to the upside. Here as well, if we take some indicators, we are here seeing, we might see here this divergence, this hidden divergence being formed. For now, it's not that clear, but still it looks to me very likely. Now, the monthly chart here, we broke above this line here. Now, we even broke above this line here. So this is what might happen the next month, where we see this candlestick and then another one, which means we will go higher. So for now, the trend for me looks like it's going to the upside. So thanks for watching.